chore. I'm telling you, just 5, 4, 3, 2, count it down with me. We'll blast off, and next you'll see what's behind us shrink and disappear out of view. Come on and breeze down this highway.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for popping by. If you're new, hi, welcome. So I have got a 12 by 24 inch canvas with a base of titanium, Cassart titanium white. The black thing that I'm shaking around there is the rose from a watering can. And I kind of thought it might be a bit fun to pour some paint through it. I kind of have a feeling I may need to make the holes or some of the holes bigger, but I'm going to revisit this. This is another one of those weird paintings, and you might be wondering what on earth is going on with me at the moment. I have got a very unpleasant situation going down whereby some people are, shall we be polite and say, they're not being very nice and they're really messing with my head right now. I am trying to work through it, to keep myself strong, because I will not allow these people to turn me into a victim no matter how hard they try. It has knocked me for 6, it's knocked me sideways, but you know, I've come back from worse, so I can, you know, I can do this, and I've got some fabulous support from some lovely ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, so this is and this is why I go up into my studio room and crack open a canvas and play, because for that little while that I'm doing that painting I can concentrate on that and kind of get lost in it and forget the nastiness that is being flung at me right now. So I was kind of playing with this, and then I thought, I wonder if could I pull this off if I tried to make the base coat look as if I'd painted and blended using a paintbrush. And once I've done that, could I then do a string pull and make that look as if I'd used a paintbrush? I was actually really pleased with the results. Do leave a comment down below and let me know if you think I actually did pull it off.
Drop your worries, pick up on this fine stream of love we're riding on. Don't believe those silly rumors, life is a chore. I'm telling you, just 5, 4, 3, 2, count it down with me. We'll blast off, and next you'll see what's behind us shrink and disappear out of view. Come on and breeze down this highway. Speed up this ride now, no trials too strong to drag us down. We'll breeze down this highway. We got more inside us, and this life isn't done. We got it, it's a breeze. Windows down, we're flying by, and this fresh air smells like paradise. And we got our destination right, we're all clear. Come on, just sing with me now, don't be shy. We got great tunes on and turned up high, and our hearts stocked full with all supplies we could need. Come on and breeze down this highway. Speed up this ride now, no trials too strong to
I just wanted to say here a big shout out to Angela Predholm. I hope I pronounced that right. There's a link above to her channel. She's a fabulous artist that is helping us toe tap along here. I just want to say a huge thank you, Angela, for letting me use your music. I absolutely adore these 3 songs. Guys, pop over to Angela's channel, give her a thumbs up. You can also find her on Spotify. She's on all my playlists. I love it. And also, Angela, from the bottom of my heart, girl, you are keeping me strong just now because I keep singing your songs. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society, no. I realize that to fit in is quitting on the one and only me. Oh, I'm freest as me. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that, I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free, letting life roll with such ease, yeah. What used to cause me to stress out, I'm blessed now, 'cause that stuff don't own me. Oh, I'm finally free. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that, I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't need nothing. Oh, I'm finally free.
So I kind of thought, surely if I put the paint on the underside of the string, when I pull the string down, it will drag the paint with it. So I thought, go on, I'll give it a go. After all, there's more than one way to do something. And sometimes it's the unexpected way that actually works.
You dear, sweet delectable you, here you got me tingling like we're on a Ferris wheel ride. You, ooh, sweet delectable you, who came sweeping in just like you knew we were meant to unite. Is this really happening, or am I swirling through a dream? I can't believe it's happening, 'cause it's so good, it's surreal. straight out the door. Disarmed, sweet, delectable, you charmed your way around my fear and alarm. So I gave it a whirl. Is this really happening, or am I swirling through a dream? I can't believe it's happening, 'cause it's so good, it's surreal. Delectable wind blows. We reap the happiness we sowed with the nourishing love. You dear, sweet, delectable, you here makes the perfection of life so clear from this Ferris wheel ride of you. Stream of love we're riding on. Don't believe those silly rumors. Life is a chore. I'm telling you, just